Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to show you how to maximize the lifespan of your ice in your Currituck Cooler. So let's get started. Step 1. Start with your cooler. You'll need to pre-chill your cooler for a few hours before use. To do this, place it in a shaded area. Fill it all the way up with ice, close the lid, and let it rest. Do not open the lid at this time. Just allow the ice to cool the inside of the cooler. After a few hours, dump the ice, and now you can begin packing your cooler. Step 2. Use the coldest ice. Make sure that your ice isn't beginning to melt. Using ice that's completely frozen maximizes its lifespan, keeping your goods colder for longer. Step 3. Pack efficiently. Here's how Camco recommends packing your Currituck Cooler. Start with your Currituck cold packs on the bottom. Currituck offers small, medium, and large size cold packs. Whichever sizes you use, make sure they've been in the freezer for 24 to 36 hours before use. Next, add your meat products. Since meat is the most important item to keep cold, it goes in first. Once it's in there, cover the meat completely with a layer of cubed ice. Now pack your drinks. These probably have some weight to them, so we recommend adding them next so you don't crush the other items. Completely cover them with another layer of ice. Finally, add any remaining snacks and top it off with a final layer of ice. Step 4. Fill the entire cooler. Ice melts more quickly when it comes into contact with air, so make sure you fill the cooler entirely. Step 5. Don't drain. If your ice starts to melt, don't drain the water. The cold water will help keep the remaining ice cold, and it keeps the cooler full. If you have meat or food in the cooler, make sure it's tightly sealed. And step 6. Minimize opening your cooler. It's best to minimize opening your cooler because it lets the cold air escape. The less you open your cooler, the longer the ice will last. So there you have it, 6 easy steps to maximize the ice in your Currituck Cooler. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.
Camco.net